Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use iRoopDeepFaceCam completely on your local PC. This powerful AI face swap tool lets you perform real-time webcam face swapping, one-click video face swaps, and even supports multiple faces at once. It also includes advanced features like mouth masking for more natural results and automatic face tracking to keep swaps stable while people move. We'll go through the entire installation process step by step, install all the required dependencies, fix common errors if they appear, and then test every major feature so you can start creating your own projects right away. If you're interested in AI tools, local AI software, face swap applications, and open source tutorials, make sure to subscribe because I regularly upload detailed installation guides and optimization tips. Now let's jump straight into the installation. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of iRoop. You can read its documentations and every dead ace about every option here. Owner made it very clear and in details what every option can do and what we can use it for. To install iRoop locally, you need at least 6 to 8 gigabits graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, Visual Studio, Python 3.10.11, Git for Windows. I have made a playlist installing these dependencies which will help you installing them easily. To install, click on Code option on main page and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone iRoop. Now type cd space and go to main clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now upgrade setup tools. Copy pip upgrade code and paste in command window to upgrade pip. Now install PyTorch, but first make sure what version of CUDA Toolkit you got installed. To install PyTorch, go to main page of PyTorch and copy code matching your CUDA version. If you don't find matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change CUDA version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. Once PyTorch installed, go to main page, open requirements file. Remove first line of PyTorch, Torch audio, Torch vision from list. Remove ONX runtime and ONX runtime silicon. Change ONX runtime if your PyTorch version was 118. Remove extra writings and remove one of 10 sort from list, then save requirements file. Now in command window run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, run main code. This will download models and iRoop will launch. To avoid running codes again in main iRoop folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now double-click Run File and launch iRoop anytime. To use Upload Face Picture, it's up to you what options you want to try. At bottom, choose your cam and click Live. To call, run OBS Studio. Choose Windows Capture option. In Windows Capture, choose iRoop Cam Preview. Adjust Cam Preview and turn on Start Virtual Cam, and go to where you want to call, for example, Instagram. Choose OBS Virtual as your cam. For calling on WhatsApp, watch my video. I will put link in my description. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. All download links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.